I'm Jorjia.
And I'm Sofia.
Today we are making Cafe New Orleans Mickey Beignets. We have made a kid-friendly recipe. You will find this in the link below. This recipe makes 10 beignets.
Okay. Good ending. Not like that. Ugh. Yeah.
You will need dry yeast, warm water, sugar, plain flour, salt, 1 egg, thickened cream, Copha, in America it's called Shortening, icing sugar, vegetable oil and a deep fryer.
Sophia, can you mix 1 teaspoon of dried yeast with 1/4 cup of warm water? Give it a stir. Jorjia, can you mix 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 cups of plain flour, and 1 pinch of salt together. Sophia, when yours is smooth, you can stop. Jorjia, can you mix 1 egg, 1/2 cup of thickened cream, 2 tablespoons of melted Copha, and 1/2 cup of boiling water. Sophia, can you mix in the yeast into the dry ingredients? The wet mix, and give it a light stir. And now we're going to beat it with a dough hook on the mix master.
It up. Then let it rest for 30 minutes.
Then you will take your vegetable oil and pour it in.
What line?
8. So then you pour your icing sugar.
The oil to get hot.
The oil to get hot. Put your stopwatch for 3 minutes.
How is it?
It's good. Not hot though.
What about you? Tastes like Disney ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
So
a bit better.
bit better than Disney.
Softer.
Look,
Thanks for
look at
watching.
it.